Alright, you're welcome back to our YouTube channel. In this video tutorial, I'll be giving you updates on bank card arbitrage. Bank card arbitrage. We all know what is going on around now, that there's been a lot of reduction on bank card arbitrage on almost all cards. But in this tutorial, I'll be giving you updates on the cards that are working, the cards that are still $100, and make sure you watch the video to the end because there are hidden secrets that I'll be sharing, and you will surely love it. If this video means a lot to you, make sure you subscribe, like the video, and that will be all for now. Alright, I'll be bringing you back the update now on the arbitrage, on the dollar arbitrage. As you can see, this is Paybis. If you've not registered on Paybis, make sure you check the first comment or the description box so you can properly register and verify your account. Then after you verified your account, log into paybis.com. What we want to do now is arbitrage. Use our bank card to buy cryptocurrency, which will be deducted at a cheaper price, and sell on Binance P2P for a higher price. Right now, almost all bank cards have been reduced. Almost all bank cards have been reduced, but there is an update that was caught recently, and I'll be sharing the full update on the Telegram group on the card that was used. So I won't be displaying everything because I don't want this to cast. So if you are watching this on the YouTube channel, just like the video, subscribe, comment, then come to me on the Telegram channel with your screenshots of your subscription of your subscription on the page and your comment with your like. Then I will give you the full details of not just this one but other ones. All right, let's go ahead. So the first thing you press is 9,000 naira. Type 9,000 naira. Then what we'll be buying now, the coin we'll be buying is Binance. If you have not watched my video before on Paybis, you can check through my YouTube page to check how to use Paybis. So this video is not how to use Paybis, it's just an update that I'm giving to you, that I'm showing you. Okay, so the next thing is to click on, let me check, is this the best thing to buy? This is not the best thing to buy. I'd rather buy the one that brings better profits. Okay, this brings better profit too. So let me click on buy. Then I copied the Binance wallet already from Binance, the BNB wallet. Then click on continue. So the next thing is to input the card details. As you can see, so wait for the transaction to be authorized. If this card is active and working, the next thing it should ask us is the OTP. Okay, it's currently loading to the OTP page. You may not see the bank information, but I will be revealing that once you do the task I'm giving to you. Once again, I said subscribe. After you subscribe, like the video, comment, give it a good comment, then come to me on the Telegram group where I'll be revealing the information personally. Now the next thing is to input the OTP code. Okay, the OTP has been imputed. So let's wait if the transaction will be approved. We will know. Okay, it seems the transaction will be approved. As you can see, the transaction has been completed successfully. So I'll be in the next video, I'll be showing you another update, the update on goespay. In fact, the only update on goespay is, in case you have not checked my video on goespay, check you will see the description. I'll put the description, I'll put the video on the description page where how to make money with your bank card, so using goespay. So you're going to see that. And currently now almost all the cards have been reduced to $20, except this one that I just used now. There's a technique to use it. There's a technique to use this successfully. So just register with the link of the Paybis you'll be seeing and the link of the goespay. Check my previous video on how to use Paybis and how to use goespay also. Subscribe, comment, like, screenshot, then send to me personally on the Telegram group, because I have a lot of update for you guys this year and I won't want you to miss out. Thank you very, very much and see you in our next video.